problem is going on for the last so many months, I should say. And every time we've been appealing to some authorities or the other, but so far nothing has happened. It's very bad that at the junction, which is an accident-prone zone, there are so many illegal gadas and mobile carts being parked there and selling their stuff, especially in the evenings. Here, as mentioned by the Sarpanch and my Panch, that the trailers are here for so many months. Repeated requests have fallen on deaf ears. Now I'm thankful to the Panchayat, like the Sarpanch, Mr. Girish Pillai, and the Panch, and the other Panchayats who are accompanying the Sarpanch, that at last they have come here. And we are positive that some solution will come place, because we don't want this MAS College Junction to be like the Double M Junction, where there's a total traffic chaos there.
Welfare Association here, that is the Vidyanagar Association, these people have repeatedly, kept on reminding me and, sending letters, and every time I have got a notification from them, me, myself and the president of the association, we have come and always tried to, talk to these people, but then they have their own way of talking and they always feel that this panchayat is in their hand and, तांकां काय पडून गेल्लें नासता. दुसरी गजाल म्हणजे लोक हांगा बिल्डिंगी बांदतात, व्हडले व्हडले बिल्डिंग बांदतात, बांदपाक परमिशन जाय पण तेंचे सीवेज बरोबर नासता, काय बरोबर नासता. एक तर ह्या बिल्डिंग जी बांदलेली आसा दॅट सीवेज वॉटर इज लेफ्ट इन द ओपन स्पेस, दॅट इज नॉट सपोज टू बी द वे एक्चुअली. ग्रास थंय उगता, मेंटेनन्स करची पडटा, पंचायत एवरी टायम हॅज टू टेक द ट्रबल. The only thing what I'm saying is that now we need to take a strict action on this. There are trailers parked here in an illegal manner. This is not supposed to be, this place is not supposed to be used like this. This is a service road, and there is this jeep parking what is happening here. They have taken permissions for one thing and they are running something else here. So this is not acceptable. Everything should go by the rules and regulations, and we have the Sarpanch and the President along with us today, hoping something really, some strict action to be taken on this.
No, जालें हिंगा फुल जाल्लें आसा आनी लोक हिंगा पिवपाक बसता बाटल्यो घेवन आनी बाटल्यो उडयतात हिंगा सगळे फुल कचरो करून मॅस करून दवरल्या. पळोवपाक गेल्यार लोक कितें चिंतता हिंगा लोकांक एक म्हणणें कितें सगळे आमी लोक कोण विचारपाक येयले कितें म्हणटा कितें पंचायतीक आमी दिता पेमेंट करता. एक लोकांच्या मनान कितें येयल्लें कितें आमी पंचायत पयशे खाता आनी सगळे गाडी पार्किंग करपाक दवरलेल्या. ताका लागून आमकां भरपूर कंप्लेंट येयला. आमी हिंगा आतां येयल्ले सद्या पळोवपाक गेल्यार फुल्ली इलिगल पार्किंग, रातचो म्हळ्यार फूल गाडी आसता, फूल कचरो केल्ल्या. ताका लागून आनी वयल्यान आतां पळोवन आमी सगळे शॉपांनी वयतले तेजेर हिंगा बिजनेस करता विदावट एनी ट्रेड लायसन्स, कांय ना तेंचे कडेन. आनी हांकां कितले लेटर धाडल्या सगळे करता, काय आमकां ₹1 पंचायती रेंट बॅक ना, नो ट्रेड लायसन्स, नथींग. दे आर डुईंग इलिगल बिजनेस ओवर हियर. सो ते करपा लागून आमी चॅक आनी तांकां आतां नोटीस धाडटलो आनी 7 दिसा टायमींग दितलो. नाजाल्यार आमी RTOक लेटर करपा, वेर्ना PX लेटर करपाचें आनी आमच्या MLAक लेटर करतलो, कितें इलिगल जें चलता बंद जावपाक जाय.